Hi everyone, welcome to Karen from tillycrafts.co.uk. I've got my new goodies and I'm so excited, so I just thought I'd jump on and unbox them with you. I'm saving this one till last because I know what that is and I'm excited about that. Well, start off with, I've got the 3 new in colours. There should be 4. There we go, 4 new in colours. So Cinnamon Cider, Magenta Madness, Misty Moonlight and Just Jade in the new in colours. There isn't a Bumblebee one, but they've also brought out Melon Mambo as well. So I'm really excited to use them. So they will be coming on a few projects soon. I've also got the new Posted For You, which comes with an image. It is, let me get this right, it's a punch with an image of a stamp on it, but it cuts out. I'll just unwrap it because it's I've seen a project so far what my friend did and they're quite a nice size, so you can see it's quite a nice size and it does fit in these images here, so I can't wait to use that. That is so nice. And I like this. It says, sending you love your way, happy birthday, just a note, special delivery. And that one says love in it, but these will be nice to colour in with my blends. Next we have, oops, that one got that one. Game On. Now this I'm excited about because this will make some nice male birthday cards as well as anything else, and I've also got a Father's Day card in mind with this one. That's a cling stamp as well, so can't wait to play with that. I just don't know what I'm going to play with first. I've also got Basket of Blooms, and this actually coordinates with a punch that was in the other catalogue, the Small Blooms punch, which I already had, so this will cut these out nice as well. And that's a photopolymer one, so great for lining up in your plant pot, your vase or your basket. So that's going to be a good one too. Everything's going to be good. And then we've got Fancy Phrases. This is divine, great for blends. And that's got sending a little smile your way. May your day be filled with heartfelt happiness. Keep it in case you need it sometime. Birthday wishes, a little something for you. I count you twice. And this goes with this one. When I count my blessings, I count you twice. So that's really nice. That's a cling stamp set. So I've got a lot of sticking on of things to stick together. Another one that's going to be a great one for a man. So you've got your bottle and your glass with ice cubes in it, a bit of wood, and then being a dad is whiskey business. Straight up, you're the best. Sending you an old-fashioned birthday card. Cheers to you and your top shelf. So can't wait to play with that. I can't wait to play with all of them. I just don't know what I'm going to play with first. And this one is so cute. Zany Zebras. That is going to be brilliant. I can't wait to do it in Magenta Madness because I've seen one in the little beginner's brochure. Oh, I think it's in the catalogue as well, in pink, and it looks so good. That's brilliant. And this one's So Much Love. Again, great one for the blends. So I'm looking forward to using that. Got some little dots. So much love for you. Here for you. You made my day. Brilliant. That's a cling as well. Like I said, I'm going to be trying to stick all my stickers on later. Oh, and I also got some sequins. Now, these actually go with the whale set in the catalogue. They're called Whale of a Time sequins, but I really like these because I've got the shaker dome shaker jars, and I just think a few of them in there will make the jam jar sparkle with the jar of flowers. So they're really good. Let's have a, you can't really see with just the label on, but look at those, how sparkly are those. They're brilliant. Even get get them all over. They've got little seashells in as well as the circles. I've just noticed that. Oh, that's going to be fun. Right, I'm going to end up getting them all over. Let's put that back on before I just totally drop it. I shall get those up, but yeah, little seashells, they're fabulous. Oh, I also got some dimensionals because I'd run out of little ones. And this one, I'm excited to have a look at this. This is the alphabet dies and numbers. I didn't get it in the bundle because I didn't particularly want the stamp set that goes with it. It's more like a background stamp set. Oops, can't get it out. Come out, come out. There we go. Let's have a look at these. Oh, they're so nice. They're you've got your alphabet and you've also got numbers. You've got hashtags, stars, exclamation marks, a plus, an and sign, a question mark, equals. So I'm looking forward to playing with those. I'm sure, if I'm not mistaken, there is a couple of, yeah, like you've got a couple of E's, 2 A's, 2 I's, 2 L's. So it's very good value for money. So I can't wait to play with that. These are smaller than the large alphabet dies, but I think if you're doing a card with a longer name on, this is going to be brilliant for those. So I can't wait to have a play with those. And you get 58 dies in there, so very good value for money. Right, now on to the one I've been waiting for. Comes in a box. It's called the Gorgeous Posy kit. You have to buy the stamp set separate, but I don't mind because look at that flower. That is going to stamp so nice. Can you sit off and put it on there? Yeah, so you've got Celebrating Your Day, Get Well Soon, For a Very Kind and Thoughtful Friend, Wishing You Comfort and Peace at This Time. So, oh, can't wait to start playing with this. But it comes with a card kit. And this is what I'm excited about because it comes in a gorgeous box. And the colours are just up my street. Let's get it out. Let's move this out where I can. So you get your card kit insert. Look at the colours on this. It tells you what's included in the kit. It gives you some examples of some cards to make up. And it comes in this box. How lovely is that? It's so sturdy. It's got like a little elastic tie over the knobble. Really sturdy box. Oh, God, that is gorgeous. So in this kit, you know, that box, wonderful. Right, so you also get some ribbon with it and some twine. So that looks like it's either Highland Heather by the looks of it, because the Gorgeous Grape's a bit darker. So yeah, that's going to be nice. And you got some ribbon. Look at this ribbon. It's like that gauzy type ribbon. I can't remember the name of it. Just bear with me one moment. Hi, thank you. See you later. Bye-bye. Sorry for leaving you there, but my new phone's come. Been having problems with my phone. Yeah, this is like a gauzy ribbon because it's quite see-through underneath, but then more solid at the end, and it's got gold going through it. So that's going to tie some beautiful bows or just add bits to the cards. Right, let's have a look what we've got in the card box. Whoops. So, in this kit, we get, Right, so we've got envelopes. Can't remember how many it makes now. Hang on, let's have a look. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16 cards it makes. Look at those envelopes, they're really nice. Just my colours. So you've got 16 cards to make, 16 envelopes, and then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4 in the very pale green. It looks like soft sea foam. 2, 4. Now that I would say is more like purple posy, like, to me. And then you've got 2, 4, 6, and then you've got 8 in the pink, which is, I'd say, Blushing Bride off the top of my head. So that's your card bases, and then you get card fronts. So we've got 4 in that design. How gorgeous are those? We've got 4 in that design. 4 in that design. Oops, I can't move my fingers. 4 in the pinky design, and then another 4 in that design. How lovely are those? And then you also get these accents. So you've got labels already to use. Can't move my hands. These are all coming out, but I'll put them together in a pile after. So you've got your circle ones. Then you've got your banner ones. There's the other one. And then we've got some more banners. So they're great for stamping. The sentiments out of here will fit on them perfectly. So, because this coordinates together. And there's some more there. And then you also get these, and these are like stickers, but look at the flowers and the leaves. So you get, is it 2 or 3 sheets of those? You get 3 sheets of those. So what a good bargain. I can't wait to have a play with this. But the best thing about this is when you've used all the cards in the kit and you've also bought the stamp set, you've still got the stamp set to play with afterwards. And also you get this beautiful box to keep. Just let me grab the catalogue because it's on page 8 of the catalogue. See, I already know the number because I love it. So the kit, the card kit, so the box with everything in it is £30, and it makes 16 cards. And then I've bought the the Gorgeous Posy stamp set separate, which is £18. I don't know if you can see that. £18 for that one. And it tells you about the coordinating colours. So, oh, I was right, yeah. So we've got Blackberry Bliss, Blushing Bride, Gorgeous Grape, and Highland Heather. So that is stunning. So I'm going to let you all get off now. I shall post this up and I can start playing. Thank you for joining me for this quick unboxing. Have a nice day. Bye.